How much should driving lessons cost? If you are a teenager getting ready to learn how to drive, you might be wondering how much driving lessons will cost. Understanding these costs can help you plan your budget and time. Driving lessons usually involve behind-the-wheel training with a professional instructor. This training is essential for gaining real-world driving experience and preparing for your driving test. The cost of driving lessons can vary quite a bit. Generally, you can expect to pay between $50 and $100 per hour. The price depends on where you live, the driving school you choose, and whether you are taking private lessons or a package deal. Many instructors offer lessons in 1 to 2 hour increments. Some may even requiring a minimum lesson length, often 2 hours per session. Most states requiring or recommend at least 6 hours of behind-the-wheel training before you can take the driving test. Some teens and their parents opt for more hours to build confidence and driving skills. This choice will naturally increase the total cost of lessons. Many driving schools provide package deals that bundle multiple hours of instruction at a discounted rate. For example, you might find packages priced as follows: 2 hours for around $100, 6 hours for about $275 to $300, and 8 to 10 hours for $150 to $500. These packages often come with added benefits, like pick-up and drop-off services, access to online learning materials, or practice road tests. In addition to the basic lesson costs, some schools charge extra for practice road tests, which can be around $125. If you prefer online driver education courses, they typically cost between $40 and $80. In-person courses may be more expensive. When choosing a driving school, look for ones that offer clear pricing and detailed information about what is included in the lesson cost. If you plan to take multiple lessons, consider purchasing a package, as this can lower the per-hour cost. Make sure the instructor is licensed and approved by your state's motor vehicle department. Also, ask if the school provides additional support like road test practice or online study materials. It is a good idea to budget for some extra lessons beyond the minimum 6 hours if you want to feel more confident behind the wheel. Overall, driving lessons for teens typically cost between $50 and $100 per hour, with packages often providing better value for multiple sessions. Planning ahead and selecting a reputable instructor can help make the learning experience smoother and more affordable.